Hi and welcome to Tech Tips. I'm Stephen from Pyramid IT, and this week we're going to show you how to create a basic signature in Outlook. To create a new signature, you first need to start a new email, so go up here and click New Email, or you can just hold down Control and press N. We'll go over here to where it says Signature and we'll click at the down arrow and then click on Signatures. You first need to select New and then give your signature a name. We'll call this Main and click OK. And now you can start typing in what you want. I'll just copy and paste mine across to save time. If you want to create a link on your email to go directly to your website, just highlight it and we'll click this wee globe with the chain link here. You'll see it pre-populates my website. We'll hit OK. And that will now create a link on the signature. And we can do the same for our email. This time I'm going to highlight it and press Ctrl C to copy. We'll go back to the link icon again. This time we're going to select email address at the bottom left here. And we're going to paste in our email address. You'll see it says mail to. This is just code to let other email clients or web browsers know that you're going to start an email, and then after that will be email address. At the top here you'll see text to display and it automatically puts in this mail to. We're going to remove that first section so it just displays our email. And then you can add a subject if you want, but we're going to leave this one blank and hit OK. And now you'll see that our email has now turned blue, and that will again turn into a clickable link that will start an email. You can add images to your email signature if you wish. We'll go over to the two boxes here next to the link icon. We'll click on it and it will open up a new window where you can browse to an image that you want. I'm just going to select this one, hit insert, and then we have that image here. Again, you can actually include a link from an image. I'll just copy my website address, click on the image you want, again click on the link icon, and we'll go to existing file or web page, and in the address we'll just paste in our website address and hit OK. So now when anybody clicks on our logo and email signature, it will take them to our website. And we'll hit save. Now over here you'll see that new messages will have our main email signature. So any new messages in the future, in fact we'll test that. We'll go back here, close this down, and we'll hit new email again. And it will automatically add our signature that we just created, and you can see here the links that we created. But what happens if you're replying to someone and you don't want a full signature in? We can go up here again to signatures, signature then signature, sorry. And we'll create a new one and we'll call this reply. And you could just say thanks and then your name, and we'll hit save. And what we'll do here is under replies and forwards we'll drop it down and we'll hit a reply message. So now whenever you hit reply or forward in an email, rather than giving you the main signature, it will only give you the shortened reply version. And we'll hit OK. Close this down and we'll show you this again. We'll hit reply and there's the shortened version. One thing I should point out, when you're putting images into your signature, not all email clients will display them, so use them sparingly and don't use an image for your overall signature, otherwise people can't see it unless they enable images. Also, I find it very handy to put things like your phone number in plain text, because the amount of times I've seen people who put it in an image and then I can't copy and paste it on my VoIP phone, and I can't call them, and I need to type in the number instead of hitting a couple of shortcut keys. It can be quite annoying when you're trying to find someone. So I hope you find this useful, and we're hoping to have another couple of parts to this where we'll do more advanced signatures and how to design signatures with a bit more graphically pleasing. That's Stephen from Pyramid IT, and hope to catch you next time. Bye! I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of any videos as we release them, please hit the bell icon below. Thank you. Bye.